Hi guys, just a quick video to show you that I have a big problem. You know, this is my Carbon Z Yak 54 and it looks quite big, but this is my new jewel here, and it's the Seagull Yak 54, and it's quite a huge fuselage, a huge plane. I don't know how to show you the difference between the Carbon Z and this thing here. I'll put them one next to the other. Okay, so that's the Carbon Z, and this is just the fuselage of this new plane. It's a 1.62 meters wingspan. Only this piece must be 1.3 meters. So I have a big problem. This problem is I have no idea how to build this plane. That's the engine cowl down there. Here it is. And this plane looks just awesome, but I have no idea how to build it. I have exactly no idea. So I have also quite a small engine for the size of this plane. I hope it's gonna be good enough. It's a Super Tigre 90, and well, I've tried to get some of my friends to build this thing for me, hopefully for free. And I don't know how much time it's gonna take me, because I'm used to this kind of foam plane that I can buy and fly in 3 hours. This is gonna take me months at least. So wish me luck. I don't know where to start. If you ask me, start from the wings, start from the engine, I have exactly no idea what to do. So this is it. Wish me luck. Bye.